Hello everyone! Today we're gonna draw a cat in a cup. First, let's use a pencil and draw the cat. Okay. First, draw a curve. Put a space like that, and then let's move and do that. And then do another space, and then like that. A little space, line, back down for her hand. Then do one line coming out of the head, and then put it through here and connect it with the hand. See that? The hand, connect it to the hand. Then you draw the inside, the claws, and connect inside here. And then we're gonna draw the ears. We're first gonna draw a line on the top, and then a line back down, like that. And another one, line, top, line, back down, like that. Now let's do the inside, line, on top. Now we're gonna connect it through these lines that are here. And then we need to put a line like that. And up again. Like that. And then like that. Like that. That's pretty good, right? Now let's draw the eyes inside. She's happy, so her eyes are closed. Like that. Her eyes are closed. Now let's draw the nose. The nose, an upside down triangle, and a line, like that. Isn't that cute? See, it's cute, right? Now, let's draw the cheek. Draw a circle for the cheek. Like that. Now do the whiskers. Mostly cats have 3 whiskers. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Like that. Now let's draw the hand like that. And then let's draw like a line this way. And then I'm gonna connect it. And then do the paw inside the stripes. Like that. Pretty cool. Okay, now let's draw the straw sticking out of this side. A straight line. It's very close to its head. 2 straight lines like that. Then connect on the top with a straight line. Then let's draw and circle inside because straw has circles inside. Like that. And then let's draw some stripes. Like that. See, that's pretty good, right? It's sticking out. Okay. Now, let's draw the top of the cup. Now, let's draw a straight line coming down. And another one. Connect. Let's draw the feet. Like that, see? Now let's draw the tail. That's a perfect tail, right? Now let's draw the legs. Then do the paw. Do 3 upside down U's again. On this side too. 1, 2, 3 upside down U's. And then draw 3 circles through them. 1, 2, 3. Do the same thing on both sides. And then do a curve. And then like that, and then like that, back like that. That kind of looks like a paw, right? Now let's do the other side too. Let's draw a hole right here. We need to add the inside strawberries. But first we need to draw the straw coming out like that. See, that's good. It's going down and through its cat's back and then go back here. Now, let's draw these strawberries at the back of here. So it's going to be very good. And like a strawberry shape. And then draw 1 circle there. Don't draw over its hand. And then draw another oval. And another oval, like that. They don't have to be perfect. Let's keep going. We need 1 strawberry right here. And then we need a curve, then the leaf on top. Now let's watch how I do the leaf. First, like that, a point, go through this, don't go through this, and then go back, a point, go back, a point, go back like that, and then draw lines inside the leaves. And then let's draw circles. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like that. And then 1 more. Right there. That looks like a strawberry, right? Now let's draw 1 more strawberry. Do all the bowl shapes in marker. Color these dots too. Now let's use these for all the else we didn't trace. I need to use the Sharpie to color in the nose I just traced. I think we need to do the whiskers this color. And the eyes. We need to do the legs. We need this much colors. Now we're going to do the cat's ears. Inside the little paws too. Color in this part red and white and red like a pattern. And then let's color in the strawberries. Color the next strawberry. Now we're going to color the leaf. And then we made a light blue in color in all of this very light. Color the darkest in the line. We're done, everyone. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and then subscribe down here. And I'll see you later. Bye, everyone.